In this video, I'm going to get you to create your own layout, but not a layout for a computer screen, a layout for a phone. Let me show you what it's going to look like at the end. I'm going to get you to produce a layout that looks like this. It's designed to fit onto the iPhone. It's exactly the right size to go on an iPhone. And in the last video, I'll show you how you can transfer this onto your own iPhone. So you have your own copy on your phone that you can use to find out about your friends in your year group. In this one, we've only got 4 records to look through. But as you can see, there are buttons at the bottom moving forwards and backwards. There are fields. There's a container field that we can put the pictures into. There's the birth dates. There's the class. So this is your challenge, to put together a layout just for your iPhone. So where do you start? Well, at the moment we've got 2 layouts, layout 1 and layout 2. These are the 2 that we've been working with. Most of the time we've been working on layout 1, which is the form layout, which is the easiest one to work with. We're now going to add an extra layout, another layout. So we're going up to the word File, come down to Manage, but this time instead of managing the database, you're going to manage layouts. And here you are, you can see the layouts that you've got at the moment. So this is layout 1. Okay? And we're going to rename that. So we're just going to click on Edit, and instead of calling it Layout 1, we're going to call it Desktop. So it's for a desktop computer, a normal full-size computer. And we'll go OK. So it's just renamed as Desktop. Layout 2, as you know, is the other one. But we're going to introduce a new layout. So down at the bottom here, when it says New, we're going to click on New. From the table called Survey Results, still. Layout name is going to be iPhone. It's going to be iPhone layout, and it's going to be for a touch device, the iPhone. So we're going to make it just for the iPhone, and we're going to have it as a form. Okay. So table is survey results, layout name is iPhone. Make sure you're on the phone. Choose iPhone here. It's a form, and we're going to have it this way up. You could have it so it goes the other way up as well. So we're going to be in portrait mode, not in landscape mode. Can you see that down here? And we're going to go finish. Okay, so now we've got one called iPhone. And when we open it, or just go to open, I can now switch. Let me just show these again. Sorry, we need to go to view status bar. Thank you. And I'm in the desktop mode, but I can switch to the iPhone mode. Here I am. I've got my little iPhone mode. I'm going to edit that layout now. When I hit the edit button, you can see the amount of space you've got. So now you need to put some fields onto here. You can arrange them any way you like. You can change anything else you've done. Look back through the other videos that we've recorded to remember how to do things. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to insert some fields. And here are all the fields you've got to insert. Okay, so you can look at all these different fields. Well, first of all, we might put the image in at the top. So we're going to click on Image. We don't want to create a label. We'll go OK. So there's our image field, and we can drag that across. We can resize it. We can put it wherever we like, maybe in the middle. Then we might go Insert another field. Okay, first name. How big do you want it? What font do you want it? So your task today is to create the layout that you want to use on your iPhone. It doesn't have to be the same as this one. This is the one that I did as a little test. But it must have buttons on it to be able to move through it. It must give the information about the person you are looking at. Okay, and then in the final video, we'll be able to show you how to upload this using an app called FileMaker Go, which fits onto your phone, which is an app on your phone, and then you can have this information on your phone. Okay, you have the rest of the lesson to create your layout for your iPhone. Off you go.